Every month, we engineer hundreds of new parts that solve common automotive problems. This month, we're proud to release 1,148 new aftermarket solutions, including many that simplify repairs and improve on original manufacturer designs. This month's featured OE Fix solves a common problem for more than 1.9 million Nissan Rogue models from 2008 to 2018. Over time, original subframe bushings wear and require replacement due to compressed mounts that eventually crack and separate, resulting in clunking noises from the suspension area and reduced ride control. When this failure occurs, the dealer requires an expensive replacement of the entire subframe assembly. We've addressed this OE problem by providing a cost savings advantage, which allows easy replacement of the failed original bushings instead of the whole subframe assembly. This new direct replacement part reduces shop time and saves you money. Another OE fix we're debuting this month is an exclusive HVAC heater hose assembly. The original heater hose assembly typically fails due to corrosion and cracks in the plastic construction, which eventually leads to coolant leaks and loss of pressure. We fixed that OE failure by upgrading the hose material to aluminum for a reliable extended service life. Additionally, many of our Dorman HVAC heater hose assemblies come with clamps and fittings for a complete installation. Our growing category of power steering fluid reservoirs now offers expanded coverage for over 1 million Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012. Over time, the original power steering reservoir becomes susceptible to heat and engine vibration that causes the housing to crack and leak. To address this issue, we used premium plastic material to withstand the effects generated by the engine compartment. For a complete installation, all Dorman power steering fluid reservoirs come equipped with a replacement cap. Also new this month is an exclusive Puddle Light assembly for over 1 million Dodge Ram pickup trucks from 2010 to 2012. The Puddle Light is located on the side view mirror, aiming towards the pavement to illuminate an area on the ground just below the car door at night. The Dorman Puddle Light is a plug-and-play, easy-to-install assembly and includes LED bulbs for a complete installation. Finally, we want to highlight an exclusive EGR service kit to clean the EGR valve and cooler. This complete gasket set includes everything needed for a complete repair. All components are easy to install direct-fit replacements and recommended for use with Dorman EGR valves sold separately. These are just a handful of this month's innovations. We also have over 80 drive shaft assemblies, 44 coolant thermostat housings, and more than 5 multi-purpose screws for a variety of popular vehicles on the road today. To make sure you never go to the dealer if you don't have to, sign up for our monthly new product announcement emails at dormanproducts.com. You can also always check out our new product feed page. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to sharing more innovative solutions with you next month.